Hello guys, and welcome to another day with Zimaleta. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you what's wrong with my Sprinter. Possibly same things wrong with your Sprinter, and I'm actually going to fix all of these things and I'm gonna make a video about it, guys. Sorry for taking such a long time off YouTube. I actually think I deserved a little time off from actually working on my channel for the past 5 years. And I did, and I had lots of fun, and I probably will make a video about that. But anyways, let's talk about the Sprinter and what's wrong. Well, first of all, guys, this Sprinter needs a paint job. It hasn't been painted in a couple years, and it looks pretty bad. I've looked into some paint, and it's going to cost me roughly $400 to paint it, just a regular acrylic enamel type of a single stage paint job. I'm just going to paint it the same way I did last time, just using Rust-Oleum paint, and but not in this video. Next, I'm having an issue with my belt always slipping off. Just now, I actually started the van, and as you can see, the belt slipped right off, and it's just all kind of like all over the place. I need to find out the issue why the belt is slipping. In order for me to actually solve the belt problem, first of all, for recording purposes, plus it's going to make my job a whole lot easier, and for you to be able to see exactly what I'm doing, I'm gonna have to pull off my whole front end in order for that to happen, because I believe what's happening is we got the tensioner pulley. It is actually slipping off, and basically it's causing these issues because the spring tension is not good, or possibly some other things. And I need to observe all the other pulleys and show them to you guys exactly what's going on. All right, next I need to replace the brakes on my van. And another thing is happening, for some reason I'm getting some knocking going on out of this wheel right here. It could be brake related, it can also be bearings related. I've never had bearings fail on me before, but those that did end up paying anywhere from $500 to $900 just to get their vehicle towed, and for the hub plus, you know, service to get it replaced. So the bearing is underneath here. It seems like a lot of things are hitting me at once, and they are. And this is basically just every day of Sprinter ownership. Everything is going great until it's not, and when it hits you, it just hits you. I have been doing preventive maintenance, guys, but for the longest time this Sprinter has been basically treating me really well. Like, it's just been working for me. It's just been really good. Another thing I want to point out, you probably seen a video that I did with Ruva, and I showed you guys how to bypass the EGR in the video. Well, I did that to my Sprinter. I didn't record a video about it, and I was driving for a while and everything was working great. I basically bypassed the EGR by putting a resistor in the connector portion, and guess what? That thing got loose a little bit, and what it was doing is it was turning off my turbo on and off, on and off, on and off. So it was making my Sprinter drive very weak. It was making it smoke and causing all kinds of issues. So as soon as I got rid of that resistor, problem solved. It is fine, because my EGR was not broken. It's just I ended up bypassing it anyways. It's one of those things that's it's going to be a love and hate relationship with the EGR, whether to have one or bypass it altogether. It seems that if your EGR is working, keep it. You know, it's just going to be like original. Everything's going to be working fine. But if you're like one of those people, you want to, you know, make your vehicle run cleaner and stuff like that, you can bypass the EGR. Or if your EGR is broken basically and you need to get somewhere, man, you could just plug that resistor in, which costs like, you know, a few bucks. Probably gonna cost like $5 because they really don't sell them individually. So maybe like $5 for 10 of them, and you pop one in there, takes like less than 5 minutes, and you could actually basically, like, it's like, you know, you don't need no GR at all. It's just gonna be working like really great. That's like a real hack, you know, to try to do that, like in a good way. But anyways, guys, I have a lot of work.
Well,
especially
anyways,
if you
guys,
wanna over-tighten
thanks so
them.
much for watching. I'm
just
going
makes
to
your
record a
job a
separate
whole lot
video of me
easier.
doing this whole job. But as you all know, I just took on
By
a
the
new
way, I
project
already got them loose
for
in
a
one of my
customer,
other prior
2010
videos,
Mercedes
where
Sprinter
I was
van.
actually
So I'm
reviewing
basically going to do those videos
this type of
first,
tool.
but as filler videos when I don't have videos ready for 2010, I'm actually going to be
really
posting
stuck.
a little bit of these videos.
Black sockets,
But when you see them, just know
they're
I'm
made
working on
a
a
lot
2010, and
yes,
I'm trying to work as fast as I can so that I could actually
rigid would be the right word,
edit those videos and upload them here as fast
definitely a
as
lot harder
possible.
metal.
Thank you guys so much. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in the next video.
My name is Serge Zimaleta. I'm 37 years old, and yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke, but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now, I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have Sprinter, Expedite, or business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.